Oye, mi último bolero, que canto con el alma, inspirado por ti. Quiero.
Mariposa, have you seen my eraser?
Oh, I must have lost it.
Silencio! Do not lie to me. I have seen the eraser that I gave you in the pencil case of Marvin Soriano.
No, Manuel, it's not true.
Silencio!
No, Manuel, no.
Yes, Mariposa, yes. It is true. Estoy muy decepcionado por esta traición. Perdón, Mariposa. Mi English is very, very bad when I'm angry.
But how? How, Manuel? How could he see?
With me ojos.
¿Qué?
I see, because the pencil case was a clear Ziploc bag for examens.
¿Qué?
Silencio! The Ziploc is for the teachers to see. This is so they can see that one is not cheating. But sadly for you, I could see that you are indeed cheating. Cheating on me.
Oye,
Heart of the cards. Please guide me. Yes. What should I write my religion essay on? Graceful charity. Yes.
I'm feeling pretty good about this math exam. Let's make sure. I'm doomed.
Try not to guess. Don't leave your answers for guessing. Study hard before every exam to make sure you know the material. If you do have to guess, don't use Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Leave that to Yugi.
So with or without the good luck charms, our dummy got the same mark.
He failed 4 times.
So Adam, what does this mean?
Myth busted.